Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneak Roll, and I am back. Finally back on the couch for another video. Now, obviously, from the thumbnail and the title of this video, y'all already know what this is. But the main focus of this video is going to be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you stay around to the end of the video so you get all of the details of how to enter the giveaway and all that different type of stuff. But since I have you guys here, and this is the reason that a lot of you came, let's crack into this box. It's a little bit of story time as I open this box, man. Now, if y'all been here for a few months, y'all seen that on the channel that I had a Supreme t-shirt. I think I had the external tee, Eternal tee, the one that was like a eternity symbol.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I copped that for my phone. And that was the first thing I've ever purchased from Supreme, ever. So it was cool to have and stuff like that. But I haven't went for anything else the entire season. That was my one and only time. Now, I'm going up to Soul Classics to go get those retro LeBron 3s, those black and metallic gold joints. And just for fun, just for ish and giggles, I was like, let me try to get that bear. Let me see if I can get the teddy bear. Everybody's going to be going for it. I know I have no chance. I'm not even really thinking that it was going to go through. I'm going to get these LeBrons. Process payment. So, this will obviously be my first time looking at this in hand. Let me see if there's anything else in the bag. Oh, also have 2 box logo stickers to go with it. Cool. And as you can see, you got your, I'll take it out of the bag. I'm not keeping it, but I am still gonna take it out of the bag. And from my understanding, oh look, the the legs actually flex and stay into place, so you can sit them down, you can stand them up. And from my understanding, this box logo hoodie is removable. So I hope I don't tear it up, because I hope it's not sewn on. Let me see. Look at that. So now you just got your Steiff bear, butt naked. And right here, you got your mini box logo hoodie, complete with Supreme tag on the back and everything else like that. Now, for those of you that are really big hype beasts and you got a newborn baby, maybe you got a preemie, this be their first box logo hoodie right here. Super hype beast right out the womb. But I think that's pretty cool, man. They got the drawstrings and everything. Got your red box logo on the front. And that slips right back on your Steiff bear. And you just got your tag on the ear. The tag down here on the left foot. Really, really dope, man. Really cool. All of this stuff flexes. All of this, the arms move, the legs move, all of that. It's like my Teddy Ruxpin when I was a kid. Throwback for all of my 80s babies. So, I'll sit him here. Hey. Alright. So now that I unboxed that, man, that's really, really simple. That's a really cool little accessory. The prices on those, from my understanding, are gonna skyrocket over time. So that's cool. Now, what I want to talk about this giveaway. You know what? He's gonna go to. I didn't expect to get him. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link down in the description below. Anybody can have an opportunity to win this guy right here for $5. You'll have an opportunity for $5 to own him right here. That's not part of the giveaway, but you can enter this giveaway and the raffle for him for $5. Now the giveaway is going to be this Cause and Sesame Street crew neck sweatshirt. Really, really dope, really clean, obviously brand new with the tags. I just got it, man. If y'all watched one of my unboxing videos a couple days ago, I had this and the black Sesame Street joint. This one is going to be in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. This is going to be in the raffle. I appreciate all you guys rocking with the channel, man. The raffle, the giveaway is going to be open until we hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm not going to put an end date on it. Unless it starts taking too long, then I'll make a video and just say, listen, we about to close this up and get to the giveaway. But at 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away. This raffle will close a lot sooner than that. I'll put all the details down in the description. But now the rules for the giveaway. It's very simple. Obviously, the first rule is you have to be subscribed to my channel. All of us that do YouTube can check and see who subscribed to the channel. If your page is public on YouTube, I can go see that you're subscribed to my channel or not. So, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. What made you subscribe to my channel? What was it that, about my channel that, that you were into, that you wanted to be a part of Bobby's Sneaker World? So that's number 2. Number 3, you have to DM me follow me on Instagram. I'm not one of them people that care about my followers on Instagram, but the only reason you need to follow me there is that's the way I'll be contacting the winner. Email and all of that takes too long, and obviously we're not exchanging phone numbers or anything like that. So follow me on Instagram. So those are the 3 rules. You have to be a subscriber, you have to comment down below, and you have to follow me on Instagram, because that's the way I'll be contacting the winner. So I'll have all of if it's too difficult to understand, or you're not really getting it from what I'm saying, I'll put everything in the description down below. So have no worries. So with all that being said, thank you for coming back to the channel. Thank you for rocking with your boy. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. Over!